This is will confirm if Bitcoin or the other altcoin visited the last bottom for this year, and it's time to load up with institution. So let's get right to it and discuss where the price will explode, and start with Bitcoin because this will show us where's the sentiment of the market. We have an ascending channel forming, and we have doing higher lows since the last bottom that we did around the 19th of June, and you can see it's still holding pretty good in this channel. However, we still have a bit of short coming in above this channel. So we have a nice channel forming. However, this channel or flag, whatever you want to call it, so is kind of, there's accumulation happening and doing higher lows. So this is good to see for Bitcoin to show us there's a potential for reversal when we're gonna have a jump. So the jump for Bitcoin will happen if we just held this ascending line and we still accumulate above it. You can see it clearly. The breakout will happen around the 23,000. This will take us until the 28,000 mark, which will be the confirmation for entering a bullish trend. Still didn't explode. We almost every time testing from above get rejected and go down, and almost every time test from below and have the price bounce back up. So it's still inside this channel. Any price go above it, we're gonna see explosion from the price up. Any price go below, confirmation for the short in control. The same scenario for Ethereum. We're still holding this channel, and this is kind of triangle forming, not a flag or ascending channel. However, for Ethereum is more clear that we have less volatility than Bitcoin, and we can see the resistance clearly around the 1,300. This will be the breakout for Ethereum to go toward the 1,700. For my opinion, this will be a massive short coming in, and we have a wick here. If we don't hold, we're gonna see a double bottom around the 900. For Shiba coin and Dogecoin, we have a kind of small triangle. This will confirm as well the breakout. If we overcome the 0.4012, we're gonna have a breakout until the 0.4017. If we don't hold this ascending line, just be careful. We might see a test around the 0.5062. This will be the bottom for this year. If we continue to go down and never holding this small triangle that form around the 0.4010, this will be an important support for Shiba coin to hold. Dogecoin as well is have a descending channel. It's not like Bitcoin, but there's opposite. However, for Dogecoin to confirm that we'll have a breakout is the 0.080 to go to 0.10 cent. However, if we can continue to get rejected this time around the 0.69, that means the price will go to do double bottom around the 0.050. So this is a turning point even for Dogecoin. If we go to Matic, okay, so holding above the 0.48, so this is the support. The resistance you can see clearly around the 0.63. We have kind of double top and we got rejected twice. So it's kind of strong for my opinion because it's still in green today because we bounced from moving average. Or any price holding above the 0.48 is still bullish for Matic, because the next time we overcome the 0.64, we're gonna see a volatility for Matic to go around the $1 again. So I will be extra careful and watching what's gonna happen for Matic if it's still holding this support. Hopefully that was clear. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, plus the like button notification, daily update for crypto and stocks as well. So see you in the next video.